In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Wix website. To get started, open your site editor in Wix so you can access all the design and content tools for your page. Once you are inside the editor, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks you can place on your site, including media features like audio players. From the menu that appears, select Video and Music. Then look for the Audio Players section. Here, you will see a few different layout options such as Classic, Mini, and Full Width. Choose the one that best fits the style and structure of your website, then drag it onto the page and place it exactly where you want visitors to see it. If you are not sure which layout to choose, think about how noticeable you want the player to be. A smaller option can be great for a clean design, while a full-width player can stand out more clearly. Once the player is on your page, click on it and select Change Track. This is where you will add the audio you want your visitors to hear. You can either upload your own audio file such as an MP3 or M4A, or paste in an external link if your audio is hosted somewhere else. After adding the file, take a moment to fill in the track details. You can include the title, the artist name, and even a custom cover thumbnail image. These details help make the player look more polished and give your audience a better experience. Next, open the Settings menu for the audio player. Here, you can decide whether the track should start playing automatically when someone opens the page or if it should loop and keep replaying. These options can be useful depending on the purpose of your site. But it's always a good idea to test them carefully so the audio behavior feels intentional and not distracting. After that, click Design to customize the appearance of the player. You can change things like the background colors, borders, and text, so the audio player matches the overall aesthetic of your website. This small step can make the player feel like a natural part of your page rather than something that was just dropped in. When everything looks and sounds the way you want, click Preview to test the player and make sure it works properly. Check that the track loads, the design looks right, and the playback settings behave the way you expect. Once you are happy with the result, click Publish to make it live on your website. Thanks for watching.